Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application. And here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application is installing. After that, tap here to open the app. Let's click to the switcher near the green Apple keyboard. Tap to OK twice, go back and click to switch input methods. Here just switch currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now there we can see that the process is finished, so let's for example open the search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.